The 8th time I'm going to try and make this video. We got a magniflow MR2 exhaust for sale. Overall condition, it's got a few scratches here and there, some road tar on there. It comes right off. See? Just take some time scratching it off with your fingernail. But the main problem is the hanger is broken, so I just got it zip tied up right now. You'd have to get it re-welded up or something. But the original location would be like right in there, wherever I don't know, wherever you want it. The welds on this exhaust are literally perfect. I've never really seen exhaust, so it's not somebody threw this together. It's actually a made exhaust for an MR2. All the bends line up perfect. The flex pipe has a little bit of scratches on the bottom, as pictured, and some rust starting over the coating on the exhaust. I don't know. I thought the exhaust was going to be really loud when I put it on, and it wasn't. It was actually pretty quiet, so it actually, in a lot of cases, a lot of people like that. So I'll start it up for you real quick. It's going to sound different because it's on the headset of an iPhone. My real speaker inside the iPhone doesn't work, so I have to use a headset through it. And it's going to rattle a little bit because the hanger's broken, so it's chilling on the cross member. I'm gonna go set the phone like a couple feet away. And then a little farther, so maybe the drone through the iPhone would go away. Thanks for looking.